Clau, pumanaw ang Tita Inday, pati ang iyong kapatid, 4 months later?
4 months apart.
Apart,
yeah.
no? How are you coping?
You know, after doing yung show ko sa kabilang network, no, ngayon ko lang talaga nararamdaman, sa totoo lang. And I wouldn't be able to, na makayanan lahat to kung wala yung Cosme family ko. Totoo lang. Totoo lang. There are days na hindi ko talaga kaya. Alam niyo yun. And kahit madaling araw, 24/7, naka-standby yung dalawang yan. And si Maybe. Si
Oo.
Maybelline. So,
What do you miss most about Mom?
alam mo yung may times na may gusto kang ikwento, may gusto ka ikwento, and then you reach for your phone, tapos, ay, wala na pala akong tatawagan. Habit.
Correct.
That happens to me all the time. All the
And
time.
that grief kasi doesn't go away.
No, it stays, and it just
Oo.
gets worse and worse and worse. And like we were talking earlier, it's habang may mga magulang kayo, please mahalin nyo ang magulang nyo, lalo na ang nanay ninyo. Hindi nyo alam kung gaano ka-importante ang isang nanay talaga sa pamilya.
I totally agree.
Diba? Make your nanay proud.
Yeah, I know. Oo. At a lot of people realize this pagkakatapos na.
Pagkatapos na.
Oo. Pero tama ka, hanggang nariyan.
Yeah, hanggang nariyan. If meron man lang akong takeaway or may pagmamalaki sa buhay ko, naging mabuti akong anak sa parents ko.
Alam mo, when you were talking about your guesting today, sinabi ko yun sa kanilang lahat. I told them, sabi ko, pwede niyong puntusan si Claudine ng kahit anong
Kahit
bagay. Oo. Pero hindi sa pagiging anak.
Hindi sa pagiging anak.
Alam mo, hindi ko alam kung alam mo, minsan nung even your dad, magkasabay tayo noon sa ospital.
Sa hospital.
Oo. Very difficult days.
Very difficult.
How is Gretchen?
Unbelievable.
How is Gretchen? How is your Gretchen? How is
Oh
my
God,
Gretchen
your
Barreto?
Gretchen.
Of course.
She is still, of course, the queen. I don't know how she does it, but she does it really well.
Yeah.
I mean, that's what queens are for, right?
When was your last conversation and what was it about?
You! Kanina mo muna! Ikaw! So tumawag yung butler niya, si Lady J, kamusta ka daw? Sabi ng ate mo, ganyan sa kamay, boy ako mamaya. Give him my love! Ganyan. Sobrang mabilis. Alam mo naman pag ikaw boy, lahat.
Oo.
Pag si Gretchen, mahal na mahal ka. I
And
mean,
then,
I'm
Gretch,
so
if
proud.
you're watching, you
I'm
know
so
that.
proud of my sister. You should see her now. She's always been beautiful, pero ngayon, ewan ko talaga kung ano sumapi sa kapatid ko at extra yata yung pagkaganda
At
niya.
saka there's a certain calmness
Calm,
about
yes.
Gretch.
Yeah.
Makikita mo sa pananalita, makikita mo sa
Yes, pananaw.
lakad. Oo.
Yeah.
Lahat.
And of course, si Dad was there. Number 1 fan ko yun. So,
Oo. And I'm just so happy. I love her. Gretch, if you're watching.
she loves you also. We love you. The Barretos love you. Boy.
Okay.